Here we have a question. This is a square. Each side is 10. And this is 10 square. And then you have a semicircle. The diameter is a 10. And you have a quarter circle. This is the center. The radius is 10. And you have another quarter circle. Radius is 10. Center is here. And then you have this shaded region. Find the area of that shaded region. Well, I want to solve this question by using integrations. So I must set this diagram into a coordinate system, right? Let me choose, this is my y-axis, and this is my x-axis, and this is the origin, right? And this will be 5, this will be 10, right? This point will be 5, 10. This will be minus 5, 10, and so on. This is minus 5, 0. Okay, now to find area, we have to find, we set those curves as functions. So let's do one by one. Say this one, all right? This circle is x squared plus y squared equal to 25, right? Quite obvious because center is origin, radius is 5. Now this quarter circle, the center is 5, right? And 10. The radius is 10. So this is the area of this circle. But we are using part of the circle, right? We're using this one. Therefore, we take y as positive, right? Positive. 25 minus x squared. Because y equals to positive or negative square root. Positive this half, and negative the other half circle. That is a function for this curve. Now for this curve, it's a lower half, lower than 10, right? Therefore we're using y is equal to 10 minus 100 minus x minus 5 squared. Right? It's not clearly. Right? We're using minus because this is the lower half of the circle, right? You have upper half is positive, lower half is negative. So our area, I'm using half of it, right? Because this is symmetrical. So we double it, we get the whole area. Well, besides the functions, we also need we need an intersecting point. Intersecting point, this point is intersected by this curve and this curve. So we are solving these two. We are solving these two equations simultaneously, right? So x is equal to 25 minus x squared, and y is equal to 10 minus square root 100 minus x minus 5 squared. All right, now here I don't want to spend time for solving simultaneous equations, well, you know how to do it, and we get 2 points. One is -3 and 4. The other one is 5 and 0. So actually, this is the intersecting point, and this is the intersecting point, right? This point is -3 and 4. So this is a -3. Now we can start integrating. For this area, is 1/2 of total area we want is equal to integration this function, right, minus that function. So this function is this 25 minus x squared minus 10 minus 100 minus x minus 5 squared dx. Okay, I think it's clear. It's from -3 to 0, right? From -3 to 0. Okay, so far is well, I think I'm writing quite neat. Now I want separate discuss, right? This integral we consider as I1. This is I2 because this could be done easily. So I consider I1 is equal to -3 to 0 square root 25 minus x squared dx. All right, this is I1, this is I2, and this could be done easily. Now, obviously that I'm doing a trig substitution, right? Let x be 5 sine theta. Okay? Yeah. Then this is a 5 cosine, right? Dx is a 5 d cosine. So it's be 25 integral cosine square theta, d theta. Yeah. From x from -3 to 0. It's not theta. This is not theta. This is x. All right. I think you must have done trigonometric integrations before. Now, then I'm using 1/2, right? Integral 1 plus cosine 2 theta d theta, right? X is from -3 to x equal to 0. Yeah. And this is equal to 25 over 2. This integral is theta, right? Yeah. This integral is half sine 2 theta. Sine 2 theta is 2 sine theta cosine theta. Times half this, it becomes sine theta and cosine theta. And x is from -3 to x equal to 0. Okay. Now we have a relation, right? This is a relation of x and theta. This is theta. Sine theta is x over 5, right? So this is equal to 25 minus x squared So we can, this is a 25 over 2. This will be arc sine x over 5, right? Arc sine x, no, 5 over x. 5 of x plus sine theta is x over 5, right? Cosine theta is square root x squared 25. Now let me write in a better, sorry, let me write a new line. So this one is equal to 25 over 2. This is the arc sine 5 over x for theta. Theta is sine theta is the x over 5. X over 5. Therefore, arc sine is x over 5. Sorry. Sorry, always plus arc sine is x over 5. Cosine theta is square root 25 minus x squared over 5. Yeah, x is from minus 3 to 0. Yes. Well, integration over lots of algebraic works to do. Okay. So this one is equal to 25 over 2. Arc sine 0 is 0, right? 3, arc sine 0.6. Arc sine 0 is a 0.64, and negative become plus 0.643. Okay, plus this is 0, right? And then negative, right? Negative 25. This is a 9, 16, and 4, right? Yeah. 4 times 3 is 12. Well, because the negative, therefore, this is a negative. Negative become plus. Become plus, yeah. Okay, well, must be very easy to make some error, because this is a negative, right? But they have a minus in the front, so it become plus. So this calculation is equal to 1404. Well, I hope this calculation is correct. Well, this is I1. Okay, this is I1. I2 is this. Okay. I2 is this integral, yeah. This is integral from minus 3 to 0, square root 100 minus x minus 5 square dx. Now let's focus on this one. Of course, we are using same technique, right? Trigonometric substitution. We let x minus 5 be 10 sine theta. Why? Because the square root will be gone, right? Because this is 10 cosine squared. So this will become 10 cosine times the dx is 10 cosine theta d theta. So it becomes 100 cosine square theta d theta. All right, this x is from -3 to x equal to 0. Well, I think it should be okay. This is equal to 100 over 2. Where does 2 come from? This is 2 is 1 plus cosine 2 theta, right? D theta. That's the formula for the double angle. So x equal to -3 and to x equal to 0. And then this is equal to 50. This is theta, right? This will be half sine 2 theta is equal to sine theta and cosine theta, right? X from -3 to x to 0. Now, we convert theta to x by using this triangle, right? This is our assumption. Sine theta is x minus 5 over 10. This is x minus 5. This is 10. So this is theta. So this will be 100 minus x minus 5 square. That's this side. So this one is equal to 50. This is arcsine. Sine theta is x5 over 10. So x minus 5 over 10 inverse. And the plus sine is x minus 5. Cosine is the whole square, 100 minus x minus 5 square. Okay, x is from -3 to 0. Well, excuse me for squeezing the room. So this one becomes now when x equal to 0 is arcsine half, right? Arcsine half. Yeah, let me write arcsine and negative half. Arcsine negative half minus arcsine, put a -3 here. -3 here is then 0.8. 0.8 is positive, right? This afterwards 0.8. And plus 0. 0 is this is half. When x is 0, this is 25. 100 minus 25 is 75. 75 square root over 10 times this one. Well, it's still a negative number. It's equal to you have 100 here, okay? You have 100, okay? 100, that is minus 43.3 plus this number will be positive, right? Times 50 is equal to 48. Well, this is tedious calculations. So overall calculation is equal to 22.50. So that is the calculation for I2. Okay. Well, just simply calculations. You know. Now then, we overall have the half A is equal to I1, right, minus 10. This integral is x minus 3 to 0, right, plus I2, because negative plus. Yeah, negative plus. So this one is equal to I1 is equal to I1 is equal to 1404. As I did this therefore is become positive, then negative again. So this one is a negative, and a plus 22.5 as we did in it. Okay, let me form the key. This is I1 minus 10x, okay, plus I2. So I1 minus 10x from minus 3 to 0 plus I2. This one is a positive because minus 30, right? So therefore this is a negative. So these three numbers added up is equal to 6.50. Okay, therefore A is equal to 13. 6.4, 13.08. Okay, so the total area of this shaded region is 13.08. All right, sorry for there was a little messy the presentation, but I think you can follow. Okay, thank you. Thank you very much for your watching and the patience.